Dear students, in this topic we shall discuss, simulate and tabularize all the hormones which are involved in metabolism and development. Several hormones that we have studied so far are involved in the regulation of metabolism and developmental processes. These hormones include insulin, glucagon, glucocorticoids, catecholamines, thyroxine, and growth hormone. These hormones are secreted by different endocrine glands and belong to different chemical categories, that is, they may be proteins, steroids, or amines, but all have their role in metabolism and development. We shall summarize them. First, insulin, which is produced by the beta cells of pancreas. It is a protein hormone and it targets almost all tissues of the body except the neural tissues. Its primary action is to increase the uptake of glucose and amino acids by the cells. ये हार्मोन जो है हाई प्लाज्मा ग्लूकोज और अमाइनो एसिड लेवल की मौजूदगी में ज़्यादा सिक्रीट होता है, जबकि इसकी सिक्रीशन लो ग्लूकोज लेवल के नतीजे में कम हो जाती है। इसके अलावा इसकी सिक्रीशन को स्मेटोस्टेटिन हार्मोन इनहिबिट करता है। ग्लूकेगॉन हार्मोन, जो कि पैंक्रियाज के अल्फा सेल्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, एक प्रोटीन हार्मोन है। इट्स टारगेट टिश्यूज आर द लिवर एंड एडिपोज टिश्यू। Its primary action is to stimulate glycogenolysis. It also promotes lipolysis and in the adipose tissues. ग्लूकागॉन की सिक्रीशन इंक्रीज करती है जब ब्लड में ग्लूकोज का लेवल कम हो जाता है। इसके अलावा सोमेटोस्टेटिन हार्मोन इसकी प्रोडक्शन को इनहिबिट करता है। ग्लूकोकॉर्टिकॉइड्स, जिसमें कार्टिसोल, कार्टिसोन और कार्टिकोस्टीरोन आते हैं, ये एडिनल कॉर्टेक्स से प्रोड्यूस होते हैं और ये तीनों स्टीरॉयड हार्मोन्स हैं। देयर टारगेट टिश्यूज आर liver and adipose tissue. Their primary actions are to mobilize amino acids from muscles and fatty acids from adipose tissue. They stimulate gluconeogenesis by liver, and as a result they raise the blood glucose level. They also exhibit anti-inflammatory actions. Their secretion is increased during stress, and their secretion is regulated by negative feedback through the CRH and ACTH from hypothalamus and pituitary. Also, their secretion is regulated by a biological clock. The catecholamines have also important role in metabolism. The epinephrine and norepinephrine are produced by the adrenal medulla, where chromaffin cells produce these hormones. These hormones are amine hormones and they target most tissues of the body. Their primary actions include to increase the cardiac activity, induce vasoconstriction, increase glycolysis and lipolysis. As a result, they cause hyperglycemia. Their secretion is stimulated by sympathetic stimulation and controlled through simultaneous release of ATP. Dear students, another major metabolic hormone is the thyroxine produced by thyroid gland. It is an amine hormone and it targets most cells of the body, especially muscles, heart, liver, and kidney. Its primary actions include to increase the metabolic rate and thermogenesis. It promotes growth and development and also promotes metamorphosis in amphibians. The thyroid stimulating hormone from pituitary induces its release from thyroid glands, while its secretion is controlled by negative feedback to pituitary and hypothalamus, decreasing the TSH and TRH secretions that decrease the thyroxine secretion. Dear students, the major developmental hormone of the body is growth hormone, which is secreted by the anterior pituitary adenohypophysis. It is a protein hormone and it targets almost all tissues of the body. इसका जो प्राइमरी एक्शन है वो ये है कि ये आरएनए और प्रोटीन की सिंथेसिस को स्टिमुलेट करता है और एज ए रिजल्ट टिश्यू ग्रोथ को प्रोमोट करता है. इट आल्सो इंक्रीजेस द अपटेक ऑफ ग्लूकोज एंड अमाइनो एसिड्स बाय द सेल. ये इसके मेटाबॉलिक रोल्स हैं और इसके अलावा ये लिपोलाइसिस को भी इंक्रीज करता है. जो ग्रोथ हार्मोन की प्रोडक्शन या रिलीज एनहांस होती है जब ब्लड में प्लाज्मा ग्लूकोज लेवल कम हो जाता है और एट ए टाइम अमाइनो एसिड लेवल इंक्रीज होता है. ग्रोथ हार्मोन की रिलीज को सोमेटोस्टेटिन हार्मोन इनहिबिट करता है. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, we see that the processes of growth and development of animal are related to its rate of metabolism. These processes are controlled and integrated by the coordinated activity of these hormones.